Hi, welcome to Company Sodi. In today's video, we are going to dive into some fascinating details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights. Adani Wilmar Limited, a leading FMCG company in India. Adani Wilmar Limited is a prominent Indian food and FMCG organization, renowned for its diverse range of essential kitchen commodities and expanding presence in personal care products. Established in 1999 as a joint venture between the Adani Group and Wilmar International, the company has grown to become a major player in the Indian market. Key features and products. Food products. Adani Wilmar offers a wide variety of edible oils, wheat flour, rice, pulses, and ready-to-cook foods. Personal care. The company has ventured into personal care products under the Alive brand, including soaps and hand washers. Manufacturing. With 50 manufacturing facilities across India, Adani Wilmar ensures efficient production and distribution. Global reach. The company exports its products to over 50 countries, demonstrating its international influence. Company culture and values. Adani Wilmar fosters a growth-oriented culture, emphasizing employee empowerment and innovation. The company's core values of courage, trust, and commitment drive its operations and contribute to a dedicated workforce. Company information. Website, Adani Wilmar. Industry, food and beverage services. Headquarters, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Founded, 1999. Company size, 10,001 plus employees. Adani Wilmar Limited's strong product portfolio, manufacturing capabilities, and global presence position it as a leading force in India's FMCG sector. The company's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has solidified its reputation as a trusted brand. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.